Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today, I'm going to show you on how to view the hidden games on Steam. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Steam application on your device and then log into your account. Now at the top left-hand corner of your screen, you can see the view option. So just click on it and you'd be able to see the hidden games options. You just have to click on it. And using the search bar, you'd be able to search for the hidden game. So you can also click on this icon right here. You'd be able to see all of the hidden games. Okay, so just click on this Windows icon right here. And here is your collection of your hidden games. So to remove this one, just have to right click and then click on the remove collection and then click on remove. Okay, so when you go back to your library, all of those games will be removed. So you can go ahead and search for another game and then add it to your library. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.